Hey there, welcome to our video about the benefits of black coffee. If you're a coffee lover, you might be wondering if your daily caffeine fix is good for you. Well, the good news is that when it comes to black coffee, there are quite a few health benefits that you can enjoy. So, pick a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. 1. Boosts physical performance. Did you know that black coffee can boost your physical performance? That's right, caffeine, which is the main active ingredient in coffee, is a natural stimulant that can help improve your energy levels and reduce fatigue. This can help you perform better during workouts or physical activities. Studies have shown that consuming caffeine before exercise can increase endurance and performance. 2. Improves mental alertness. Not only does black coffee help with physical performance, but it can also improve mental alertness. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that can help increase focus, attention, and overall cognitive function. This is why many people reach for a cup of coffee in the morning to help them wake up and start their day. 3. Aids in weight loss. Are you looking to lose weight? Black coffee can help with that too. Studies have shown that caffeine can help boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Caffeine is often found in weight loss supplements and can be an effective tool in helping you reach your weight loss goals. 4. The risk of type 2 diabetes will be lowered. Drinking black coffee can also help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is because caffeine has been shown to increase insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. In addition, coffee contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, another risk factor for type 2 diabetes. 5. Reduces the risk of liver disease. Another benefit of drinking black coffee is that it can reduce the risk of liver disease. Studies have shown that drinking coffee can help protect against liver cancer, cirrhosis, and other liver diseases. This is because coffee contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. 6. Promotes heart health. Finally, drinking black coffee can also promote heart health. Studies have shown that regular coffee consumption can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. This is because coffee contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. So, there you have it, the many benefits of black coffee. From boosting physical performance to promoting heart health, there are plenty of reasons to enjoy a cup of black coffee every day. Of course, like anything, moderation is key. Excessive consumption of caffeine can lead to negative side effects like jitters and anxiety. So, enjoy your coffee in moderation and reap the many health benefits it has to offer. Thanks for watching.